Magic Leap 2 AR headset. First up, we have the Magic Leap 2 AR headset. This cutting-edge gadget lets you seamlessly switch from AR to VR thanks to its global dimming tool that leaves only the virtual presentation. This tool also enhances the solidity of digital content, even in bright environments. The Magic Leap 2 boasts a larger 65-degree field of view compared to its predecessor, providing a more expansive digital workspace. With a wireless handheld controller featuring 2 camera sensors, you can manipulate objects placed in reality with precision, making it ideal for factory environments. Additionally, it offers hand tracking without a controller and a new, smaller design for easy wearability. Available for $3,299, this headset is a game changer for AR and VR enthusiasts. Imagine working on a complex design project or playing an immersive game, all while effortlessly transitioning between augmented and virtual realities. The Magic Leap 2 not only enhances your digital interactions, but also redefines the boundaries of mixed reality technology. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, making it perfect for both professional and recreational activities. Whether you're an architect visualizing new spaces, a gamer seeking the next level of immersion, or an educator exploring innovative teaching methods, the Magic Leap 2 offers endless possibilities. Ring Always Home Cam. When it comes to home security, the Ring Always Home Cam is a groundbreaking device. This flying indoor security camera moves around your home to different preset positions, allowing you to check in on things no matter where you are. If your Ring alarm contact sensors or motion detectors are triggered, the Always Home Cam automatically flies to the location to see what's happening. Equipped with navigation sensors, it moves safely inside your home, providing a flexible point of view when you're away. Built with privacy and security in mind, the camera stays blocked when docked. Ensure your home is always safe with the Ring Always Home Cam. Think about the convenience of monitoring multiple rooms with a single device that adapts to your needs. The Ring Always Home Cam not only provides peace of mind, but also offers a level of interactivity and control that static cameras can't match. Imagine receiving an alert on your phone, launching the camera, and watching it navigate to the exact spot where motion was detected, all in real time. This innovation is perfect for anyone wanting to keep a close eye on their home without the limitations of traditional security systems. 360 Robot S10 next. We have the 360 Robot S10, the world's smartest robot vacuum cleaner. With triple-eye LiDAR sensors, the S10 can 3D scan your home and detect objects as slim as 0.04 inches, avoiding obstacles and cleaning thoroughly without surprises. It offers multi-floor mapping and can optimize the most effective cleaning route for your home. The S10 features a 520 ml intelligent water tank for mopping hard surfaces, powerful suction capabilities, and a slim 3.35-inch body to tackle any mess. With programmable no-go zones and selected room cleaning, you can customize the S10's cleaning schedule to fit your needs. Available on Amazon for $399.99. The S10 is a must-have for any household. Imagine a robot that not only vacuums but also mops your floors, ensuring a spotless home with minimal effort on your part. The 360 Robot S10 is designed to navigate around furniture, pets, and other obstacles, making it ideal for busy households, Its ability to map multiple floors and create efficient cleaning routes means you get a thorough clean every time. Whether you have a sprawling house or a cozy apartment, the S10 adapts to your environment, delivering top-notch performance. MOFT Snap-on stand for those who love to watch videos on their phones without a bulky case. The MOFT Snap-on stand and wallet for the iPhone 12 series is perfect. Its simple design attaches securely to your phone with 16 magnets, keeping your device stable while standing. With 3 viewing modes, portrait, landscape, and floating, you can comfortably view your phone screen for various activities. It also includes an integrated card slot for up to 3 cards, making it convenient for on-the-go use. Available for $25.49, the MOFT Snap-on stand and wallet is a great addition to your iPhone. DJI Power 1000 portable power bank. Never run out of power again with the DJI Power 1000 portable power bank. With its high-capacity battery and fast-charging capabilities, this power station is your go-to solution for all your charging needs. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or working remotely, the Power 1000 has got you covered. EDC MagBeads. Add a touch of style and sophistication to your everyday carry with the MagBeads keychain. Available in 3 different variants and made from premium materials, this keychain keeps your keys, tools, and gadgets organized and within easy reach. The quick release feature allows for easy attachment and detachment, while the strong magnet secures your belongings. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or traveling, the MagBeads keychain is a practical and stylish accessory. Purchase it for $39.95 on Amazon. Imagine never fumbling for your keys again, thanks to the sleek and functional design of the MagBeads keychain. Its magnetic attachment makes accessing your essentials quick and hassle-free, while its durable construction ensures longevity. This keychain is not just about organization, it's about adding a touch of elegance to your everyday routine. Perfect for professionals, students, and adventurers alike, the MagBeads keychain combines practicality with style. Hutt WW8 window cleaning robot. The Hutt W8 is the ultimate window cleaning robot for those who demand efficiency and thorough performance. Its dual water spray system lets you clean windows with water solution or dry methods in just one pass. The visible water level indicator allows you to monitor the water level anytime. This robot features a self-developed variable frequency algorithm that automatically adjusts suction power based on stains and working environments. Its 8 cm ultra-thin body can reach narrow gaps with ease, and the high-density pad ensures streak-free windows. Available for $349, the Hutt W8 is a great addition to any home. Imagine having sparkling clean windows without the hassle of manual cleaning. The Hutt W8 takes care of this tedious task with precision and efficiency. Its smart algorithm ensures that even the toughest stains are removed, leaving your windows crystal clear. The slim design allows it to navigate tight spaces, ensuring no corner is left untouched. Whether you have large glass doors, high windows, or mirrors, the Hutt W8 delivers professional quality results every time. SANDMARC Telephoto 6X Lens. Calling all iPhone photographers. Say hello to the SANDMARC Telephoto 6X Lens. With its 6x optical magnification and premium multi-coated glass, this lens allows you to capture stunning, detailed shots from a distance. Whether you're shooting landscapes or wildlife, the Telephoto 6X lens will help you unleash your creativity. VAVA Chroma ALPD 4.0. Experience theater-like quality at home with the VAVA Chroma ALPD 4.0 triple laser projector. It uses red, blue, and green laser light sources to deliver an incredible 106% Record 2020 color range and accuracy superior to top movie theaters. With an ultra-short throw range of only 7.2 inches, you can achieve a 100-inch projection. This projector offers a 25,000 hour lamp life, HDR10 quality, 2500 ANSI lumens of brightness in 4K UHD resolution. It also features 60W Harman Kardon speakers and Alexa voice control for seamless connectivity. Available for $3,499.99, the VAVA Chroma brings cinema quality viewing to your home. D800 Sunshade Robot. Never worry about shading your car again with the D800 fully automatic sunshade robot. It retracts automatically when you get into your car or when the weather turns cloudy. Attach it to your front windshield and you're good to go. No wiring required. The D800 is compact with an aluminum body measuring only 25 mm, ensuring it doesn't block your view. Its multi-sensing technologies prevent accidental extension while driving. Heat-proof and data-safe, the D800 is a must-have for car owners looking for convenience and protection. OPPO Air Glass. Invest in revolutionary tech with the OPPO Air Glass AR eyewear. Featuring the Spark micro projector and cutting-edge micro LED, this eyewear supports interactions through voice, touch, head movement, and motion, providing faster and easier access to information. With pre-installed apps like weather, calendar, health, teleprompter, translation, and navigation, the OPPO Air Glass offers a comprehensive AR experience. The bright display ensures clear visibility, and the compact Spark micro projector provides excellent heat dissipation and stability. Available soon, the OPPO Air Glass is perfect for those who want to stay ahead of the tech curve. Imagine having all the information you need right in front of your eyes, seamlessly integrated into your daily routine. The OPPO Air Glass offers a futuristic way to interact with digital content, enhancing productivity and convenience. Whether you're navigating a new city, translating languages on the go, or keeping track of your health metrics, this AR eyewear provides an immersive and intuitive experience. Its sleek design and advanced technology make it a standout device for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike.